Tesla just added some all-new hidden features in your car that you absolutely need to know about. Some of these are brand new that you probably don't even know exist if you didn't know your Tesla. And even your Tesla app are packed with some brand new hidden features that will change the way you use your Tesla every single day. Yes, some of these are very well known, they are definitely fan favorites, but I also have some brand new hidden features that Tesla just added that I guarantee you didn't know about. And all these mixed together makes this a really useful video that every single Tesla owner needs to watch. Whether you're a new Tesla owner or you've owned Tesla for years, I've got some new hidden features that you absolutely need to know about. So let's break down the top best hidden features built into your car and in your Tesla app that you need to know about and try for yourself right now. So hi, and welcome to the Top First channel. This tip is pretty new and is a new feature that is really nice for those of you who utilize Tesla Theater a lot, and that is the ability to minimize Tesla Theater. For example, you want to go into the Netflix or YouTube app just to combine two actions at the same time. This is useful if you want to turn on some clip on YouTube at the same time or turn on a movie on Netflix and look at both the movie and the map in your Tesla at the same time. Pretty new window minimization feature, so use it at your pleasure. You'll like it, and it will be useful for sure. To use it, just open the app that you need to minimize. Press this icon right here, and you will see that the app is now minimized and combined with other apps. The next hidden and equally unobvious feature concerns your Tesla app. All you will need for this is your smartphone. If you are a very avid user of this app, you may not be comfortable with only 4 quick access features available in the bar. Unfolding the panel and looking at what you need may also be an easy way out, but if you are used to doing everything quickly, and life is and always will be about movement and speed, this will be extremely useful to you, because if you move slow,
you're broke! You're fucking poor!
But anyway, all you have to do is open up the toolbar, hold on the icon you want, and move it to the far right corner. Don't miss, because it's easy to miss. So drag as far to the right as possible until you see a semi-transparent gray rectangle. As soon as you see it, then you set the position correctly, and now you will have 5 panels in the quick access toolbar. The next hidden feature concerns the service mod on your Tesla, but I warn you right away, this is something you'll be opening at your own risk. So again, be sure you understand what you're doing it for and for what purpose. I'm not going to take responsibility for your actions, but I'll show it to you anyway. Go to the machine icon at the bottom left of the screen, go to software, and click and hold on the place where your Tesla model is listed. After that, in this window, write the word service. Of course, you will be warned that it is better for the unprepared and uneducated in this area not to get into this window. So again, you do it only at your own risk. And after you agree to this action, you will see the fine settings of your Tesla, which is best not to touch if you did not want to break anything. It's a bit like the developer mode on Android. To exit this mode, just press and hold in the exit service mode field. Also, speaking of the Tesla app, 2 little hidden features here you might not know is that with recent software updates, Tesla has removed the confirmation pop-up if you want the door unlocked, as long as you're in Bluetooth range. So what I mean by that is, let's say you're carrying a bag of groceries and you don't have a lot of time to do a bunch of taps. If you're able to tap the front icon on your app, it's going to open right away. You don't have to hit the confirmation like, are you sure you want to open it? It's just going to go as long as you're in Bluetooth range. I already talked about the next hidden feature in one of my previous videos about hidden features in the Tesla Model X, but I can't not mention it here because it would be a crime to leave it out. But that doesn't mean you should skip that video about the hidden features of the Tesla Model X, because there you will find some very useful features that might work on other models as well. So after watching this video, quickly run off to watch the previous video about hidden features, but for now, let's get back to our hidden buddy. This feature refers to a quick address redirect from your phone to your Tesla. Let's say you were sitting browsing your Instagram feed or just reading the news, and you came across an advertisement for a great place to eat, and by coincidence you happened to be hungry, went to Google Maps on your phone, quickly typed the address or name of the place and saw how far away it was, and you immediately wanted to get off and go there. All you have to do is share the address with your Tesla. To do this, select the Share tab in the address field and select your Tesla there. This will be times faster than if you just manually type in the address of where you want to go on your Tesla screen. So this is a very cool and hidden feature that a lot of people just don't know about. So you can now share it with your friends who ride your Tesla with you to make it a little easier for them to use it. Next up, let's talk about a tip that'll actually save you some money, and that is switching from premium connectivity monthly to an annual plan. Now, if you didn't know, premium connectivity, it's like your car's data plan. You can use it for streaming music, you can use it for satellite maps, viewing Sentry mode cameras, all that good stuff, and I feel like it's one of those things that you can subscribe month on and month off, but most people probably subscribe every single month. And if you know you're going to use it every month of the year, and you're okay buying it for a year, you can actually go with an annual plan, and instead of $99 in a month, it's $99 for a year. So you're gonna save 20 bucks, and for a lot of people who already know that they are going to use it, it makes sense. So go to the Upgrades tab inside of your Tesla app, go to Subscriptions, then here you can actually switch to an annual plan, and which is going to allow me to pay $100 instead of $99 in a month. Next, if you're going through a car wash with your Tesla, it is important to have a car wash mode on that is going to make sure that the windows are closed, the charge port is closed, so car make sure there's no way the water can leak, because there are a bunch of horror stories of people going through car washes, then a stream of water hits the charge port and opens. You're not going to have a good day if that happens. So head into the car icon here, go down to Service, and then there is going to be an option here for car wash mode right there. If you tap on that, you're going to enter car wash mode, and that's going to just give you some nice green circles to let you know that everything is good to go. So it's going to keep the speed lower, it's going to keep the charge part locked. All that stuff is good to go, and you can fold the mirrors in and out here if you wish, and then you can also enable free roll if you're going to want to go into neutral. If you're going on one of those with a conveyor belt, you can do that easily here. Also, if you want to clean the screen, you can do that here as well. As you can see, some smudges there, you can wipe that off, and then just hold exits. If you're wondering where that moved to, that move to car wash mode, and just a nice little mode to utilize when you're at a car wash and you're done. Just go ahead and exit and you're back to normal. The next feature is already more obvious than the previous ones, but still not all users use it, and I'll be honest, I'm a little amazed at it because it saves much more time. It's a voice assistant. Some activities you can actually take a ton of time if you're clicking around the screen hoping to find what you need. Instead, just press that button on the steering wheel and you can tell the voice assistant anything you want, from plotting directions to fine-tuning what you need in the car, whether it's turning on windshield wipers or heated seats. The voice assistant also has some Easter egg hidden in it, so if you find it interesting, be sure to let me take care of it in the comments, and I'll see what I can find to tell you about it. I hope that this hidden features were really useful for you, because not so many users of Tesla knew about them. But if you knew them, take my congratulations, because you know your Tesla very well. But anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to be in touch with newest cars news.